So it's just about sunset now. And these are the birds that like a late dinner. But nothing like the cardinal. The cardinal will come around after sunset and stick around for 15 minutes. And it's 20 degrees outside. And they've been eating up a storm all day. Oh, a little drama. I guess that's the alpha titmouse. My wife's daughter bought her a coffee mug with had pictures about half a dozen different types of titmice on it, and the caption on the mug read, "Nice tits," which is so out of character for my wife's daughter and my wife. There's George, named after George Clooney because he's so handsome. My wife likes the way George Clooney looks. There's the little buddy. He often accompanies George. We've been noticing this little guy eat late dinner with George for years now. It's always a little sparrow. They're buds. And George is not very chivalrous because he'll always eat before his wife or daughter even. And when he has his fill, then he lets them come and eat, which is not very nice. I'm sure the real George Clooney wouldn't do that with them all. Of course, the seed always tastes much better when it's on the ground. We have observed, oh, there's a mall. He's not going to let her up yet. Nope, little buddy. There's them all. George's wife. Always gets second shrift. What about George's daughter? Is she going to join? We use the golden safflower. They seem to prefer that over just the white safflower. Alrighty, that's a wrap.